Hello and welcome to another update video about silver. So I do another one today because yesterday we had quite a bit of a pump and today we dropped, but we actually didn't drop that much. I mean, if we compare that to crypto dropped much more. I think the S&P 500 dropped more as well. Would need to take a look at that. But yeah, overall we are still investigating here the possibility that the low was in for silver. We talked about it yesterday, expected a dip here, a reaction to this descending trend line. We saw a reaction. The thing is now, is this just a corrective move down? And we zoom in a minute and take a look at that. Overall, the view is here that we are either close to the low or we've seen the low already. However, primary expectation for me is still down as long as we stay below this descending trend line. We have made it above that key level here, $19.40. Yeah, we have made it above that level, and that is an important level structurally. And by going above this level, we could say it is getting more likely that the low is in. But I didn't yesterday, and this is for me, this move was a move to be skeptical about, and two reasons for that. This looks for me still a bit like a three-wave move is one reason. The other reason is that we are below the descending trend line, and actually also, you know, without seeing now how the market behaves in this pullback, we can't really make it a great call. So we want to see that, and you know, the key is that the low could be in because we touched my target area, yeah, but only at the very top. So we could go still lower in this overall target area, yeah, absolutely. So that is scaling down all the way to $13.70. So without a problem, we could even go down into that range without violating the current higher level scenario. Anywhere from here, you know, from this green area, we expect a reversal to the upside and an impulsive move and expect the overall silver correction to be finished. But is it really finished? So to be more confident that it is finished, we want to see a first impulsive wave up and a corrective move down as indicated in the chart. But have we actually already seen that wave one? Is this wave one already finished? For me, not very clear. I mean, I am only really seeing here three waves. You know, you could count it with a lot of imagination as 5 waves, but I think these are only 3. So how would we count this? We want to see 5 waves up and 3 waves down. I see only here 1, 2, 3, possibly now the 4, and then the 5 is still incoming, hopefully. And without the 5, we can't be confident that a low is in here. So this basically, waiting for that 5th wave. Ideally, I mean, let's just calculate now. I mean, we have the wave 2 low, we have the wave 3 top, so we can calculate the target for the wave 4. That is here, the ideal target is at $19, at $19.16. That would be the ideal retracement. The minimum has already been broken, that was at $19.48. And the maximum it should really do in a wave 4 is the $18.90 level. So anywhere from here now, we would expect in the current scenario a reversal to the upside in a wave 5. Again, this is micro counting here, yeah. So that means we should see another push to the upside, possibly touching this trend line again. Yeah, the wave 5 doesn't need to be very strong, maybe breaking it briefly. And I mean, if we look now at, I mean, I can't really give you a target for the wave 5 yet. I can give you the textbook target, but this sometimes isn't too accurate. So a textbook target would be actually $20.56. But without really knowing a likely low for the wave 4, we can't really calculate it. So this would give us $20.56. Another way to calculate it is to take the length of the wave 1 and add it to the low of the wave 4. So let's say we just pick here the $19.17 level, and that would take us to $21. So there you go. We need to see where the wave 5 takes us. Strictly, the wave 5 only needs to go briefly above the wave 3. So to be more confident about this bullish scenario, we want to see one more leg up. That should complete an impulse in a wave 1, and we should see a larger wave 2 correction. So this wave 2 correction roughly, very roughly, could then take us into the region around $18.50, yeah. And if we hold here the 78.6% fib level, and again, we haven't seen the wave 5 high, so I can't really accurately calculate the wave 2 low, because this is only possible from the top of the wave 1. But just give you a guideline, if we drop below $18, it is very likely that the low wasn't in yet. So currently with silver, I wouldn't do anything. I would just wait for the next larger pullback, which would be that wave 2. Yeah, so we started a pullback yesterday as expected, but I think this was only, or is only, the wave 4. I think we're gonna see one more move up. I mean, if we come down like this now, yeah, without another high, then this was only a 3-wave move, and most likely we're coming down once more impulsively into this area anyway. So there's basically 2 key possibilities. Either we see that move up, which would be bullish, and then a correction down, and then we see a continuation of a bull run and the low is in, or this stays a 3-wave move. And if we break below this $18.90 level, then it's quite likely that also that this was only a 3-wave move and we're coming down in an impulse. So key would be to be more confident that the low was in, one more small leg up, then a 3-wave correction. So for me, I'd be waiting here, yeah, sitting on the sidelines, waiting either for that move up. It wouldn't be worth trading that anyway, in my opinion. Then waiting for that correction, either scale in here or just letting it play out to the downside now and then scaling in somewhere down there. And that's my update about silver. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then also check out my main channel, More Crypto Online. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.